Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding crypto in your Coinbase wallet and you're ready to cash out to your bank account, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the step-by-step process for 2025, keeping things simple and straightforward. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this guide will help you transfer your funds safely and efficiently. First things first, make sure your Coinbase account is fully set up. That means you've verified your identity, linked your bank account, and have some crypto ready to go. If you haven't done this yet, head over to the Coinbase app or website and complete those steps. It's crucial for security. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to the Portfolio section to see your crypto holdings. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 2. Convert your crypto to fiat currency. Click on the Trade or Sell option for that asset. Enter the amount you want to sell, and Coinbase will convert it to USD or your local currency. Keep an eye on any fees here. They can vary based on market conditions in 2025. Step 3. Now, go to the Accounts or Withdraw section. Look for the option to withdraw funds to your linked bank account. Double-check that your bank details are correct to avoid any delays. Step 4. Review and confirm the transaction. You'll see a summary of the amount, fees, and estimated arrival time. Hit Confirm, and you're all set. Processing times can take 1 to 5 business days, depending on your bank and location. A quick tip. Always enable two-factor authentication for extra security, and be aware that crypto prices can fluctuate, so time your transfer wisely. If you're in a region with new regulations in 2025, check Coinbase's Help Center for updates. There you have it. That's how to transfer crypto from your Coinbase wallet to your bank account in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.